Come test drive the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, chrome mirror caps, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.